Hello guys. How are you doing? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to make a copy in Adobe Illustrator. I would show you with the basic shape. So, I'm gonna draw a square by pressing M on my keyboard and Shift to make it precision. Then, you can press Ctrl C after pressing the square. After that, press Ctrl versus there you go, you have the shape copied easily. The second tutorial is so much easier. First, make a shape that you want to copy. Then, press Alt and click on your shape. After that, grab them to any place you want. And you have it copied already. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to know some tutorials, let me know by comment down below.